Okay, so we're going to be looking at logarithms and exponentials in today's video. So I've written 6 log equations on the board. I want you guys just to pause it, have a look through and see if you can work out what's going on and get a rough idea of what a logarithm is. Okay, so the way we read through these, we've got log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. What that means is if you raise, it's basically asking you what power do I need to raise 5 by to get 25? What power do I need to raise 9 by to get 81? What power do I need to raise 16 by to get 4? Notice this one's fractional because we've got root of 16 to get 4. What power do I raise 3 by to get 27? So 3 cubed is 27. What power do I raise 3 by to get 3? 3 to the 1 is 3. What power do I raise 7 by to get a 7th? So give me a reciprocal power minus 1 to get there. So logs are kind of like the third way. We've got square rooting, we've got squaring, and we've also got logging to get the other way of rearranging the equation. So there's the 3 ways of presenting this information. 5 squared is 25, the root of 25 is 5, and log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. So each of these kind of has a 5, a 25, and a 2, or a square root in this case. So 3 different ways of having subjects in this equation. So the way we say it is log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. In other words, what power do I raise 5 by to get 25? Log 5 of 25, and we need to raise 5 to the power 2 to get 25. So I always think it's a good idea to memorise these two. Remember to yourself, 5 squared is 25, and log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. If you remember those two, we can go very quickly from our log form to this form, and this form we call exponential form. So if log to the base a of n is x, we know that a to the power x equals n. That will work with anything, but the way I like to remember it, using this 5 example, okay, so if you say that to yourselves a few times at home, log to the base 5 of 25 is 2, and 5 squared is 25. Log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. Say that a few times, get that stuck in your head, because everybody remembers 5 squared is 25. So if you remember 5, log to the base 5 of 25 is 2, you'll be able to interchange between them. So we call this log form, or logarithmic form if you want to be proper, and exponential form. So this number here is the exponent, which is why it's called exponential form, which would be here as well, the exponent. This is our base, so 5 is the base, 2 is the exponent. I think 25 is the subject. I can't remember now. Yeah, log form, exponential form. So first skill you need is to be able to go from one of these to the other. So we're going to try a few examples of that. Okay, so could you guys pause the video and try and write these into log form? So if you need help, log to base 5 of 25 is 2. So for the first one, we got log to the base 3 of 9 equals 2, so 3 squared is 9. Here we get log to the base 2 of 128, so 2 to the power what is 128, 2 to the power 7 is 128. And here we get log to the base 64 of 8, 64 to the power what is 8, 64 to the square root is 8. Cool, right, we're going to go the other way around now, try and write some things in exponential form. So trying to write these 3 in exponential form, again if you want to pause it and try and do that. So here we get 3 to the power 4 is 81. Here we get 2 to the minus 3 is an 8th, and here we get 4 to the half is 2. Excellent. Okay, let's try a few more difficult examples. Okay, so we want to try and solve this log. Now we can actually use calculate this, we're going to try and do it with algebra and arithmetic. So it's saying 2 over 2 thirds to the power something is 9 over 4. So 2 thirds to the something is 9 over 4. So can everybody spot what we've got to do in order to get this? Well, it looks like we've got 3 squared on top and 4 squared on bottom. So I think we're going to need to flip this. So let's put a minus in. So that's going to get 3 on top, 2 on the bottom, and then we need to square both. So I think it's going to be minus 2. So let's just check. 2 to the minus 2 is 1 over 4. 3 to the minus 2 is going to be over 9. So we get 9 over 4 and put it all together. Cool. Okay, another good use of logs is something like this. So we've got 2 to the power something is 3. Now what we could do then is say, well, if I write up here 5 squared is 25, and we all know now that log to the base 5 of 25 is 2. We can rewrite this exponential in log form. So if we rewrite this in log form, we get log to the base 2 of 3 equals x. And we can just type this into a calculator, log base 2 of 3, and we just type this into a calculator and we get x equals 1.585. So 2 to the power 1.585 should give us about 3. So that's again one of the skills you're going to need, rewriting something in log form in order to solve it.